Now we'll look at rearranging items when the order is not important. So to calculate the number of combinations, we take the number of permutations of n items taken r at a time and reduce it by a factor of r factorial. This divides out the number of duplicates. The number of combinations is denoted by NCR and is given by the formula n factorial over n minus r factorial times r factorial, where n is the total number of items that you have to choose from, and r is the number of items that you are choosing. So, keep in mind, there will be n different items available. You'll select r of the n items without replacement, and we consider different arrangements of the same items to be the same. In other words, ABC is considered the same as BAC. So the important thing to remember here is that the order does not matter. So when working these types of problems, you first want to ask yourself, does order matter? If the answer is no, then it's a combination and you can use the NCR function on your calculator. We're going to look at finding combinations with our calculator, so we can identify n and r, n being the total number of things that we have to choose from, r being the number of things that we are choosing. So an example would be, consider a club with 20 members. How many ways can they select a committee of 4 to study the bylaws? So our n is 20, our r is 4. We need to enter our n on the screen. Math. Page over to PRB and down to NCR. Press enter. 4. Press enter again. So there are 4,845 ways to choose 4 people to study the bylaws. The reason why we use a combination on this example is because order does not matter. We're not trying to put these people into a specific place or a specific spot, so we can use combination. Let's look at a few more examples. In poker, a person is dealt 5 cards from a standard 52 card deck. The order in which you are dealt the 5 cards does not matter. How many different 5-card poker hands are possible? So if you get lucky, some of the questions will even say that the order does not matter. So we know it's a combination. We have 52 cards to choose from. We are choosing 5 of them. So our n is 52, our r is 5. So on your calculator, you will enter 52. Press math, page over to PRB and down to NCR. Hit enter. Hit 5 and then enter again. And there are a lot of combinations for a 5-card hand. 2,598,960. On the next question, how many ways can an IRS auditor select 3 of 12 tax returns for an audit? The order in which they select the tax returns does not matter. So, that would be 12, choose 3, using our calculator. 12 choose 3 is 220.